Val Kilmer, Top Gun and Batman star, has passed away at age 65 years old. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Val Kilmer, the versatile actor who played fan favorite Iceman in Top Gun and Cape as Batman in Batman Forever and portrayed Jim Morrison in The Doors, has died at age 65 years old. Kilmer died Tuesday in Los Angeles, surrounded by his family and friends. His daughter Mercedes Kilmer said in an email to a media outlet. His family stated that he passed away from pneumonia complications. The family stated that he recovered after a 2014 throat cancer diagnosis that requires 2 tracheotomies. Kilmer, who at 17 was the youngest actor ever accepted to the prestigious Juilliard School at the time he attended, experienced the ups and downs of fame more dramatically than most. I have behaved poorly, I have behaved bravely, I have behaved bizarrely to some. I deny none of this, and I have no regrets because I have lost and found parts of myself that I never knew exist, he said towards the end of Val, the 2021 documentary on his career. His break came in 1984, Spy Proof Top Secret, followed by the comedy Real Genius in 1985. Kilmer would later show his comedy chops again in films including Magrubber and Kiss Kiss Bang Bang. His movie career hit the top in the 1990s as he made a name for himself as a dashing leading man, starring alongside Kurt Russell and Bill Paxton in 1993. This was in Tombstone as Elvis Ghost in True Romance and as a bank robbing demolition expert Michael Mann in 1995. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.